We think at Rutter Mills we've done things differently for years. I was taught, and we teach everybody here, that the first and last thing by which we judge ourselves is by our client's success, not our own. We try to remember to take care of the client and take care of the client's family from the time we walk in the door until the time we go home. And quite frankly, I think that's different than a lot of businesses, whether in the legal field or not. That's something that seems to have gotten lost over the last decade or two in this country, and I don't understand why. It's the way I was raised, it's the way that we run this law firm.
We really genuinely care about our clients. I mean, they're not numbers to us, they're individuals, and we share their fate, we share their common interest. We rely on them to make the decisions because it is their case after all, after we give them the best advice that we can, but we care about them and we think that they care about us.
I think Rutter Mills is so responsive to the initial calls. I mean, we don't let them languish for any period of time. We get back to the folks early on. We help them immediately through the process. The big difference is, we're working for people, not insurance companies.
Rutter Mills is different because we care. Because Rutter Mills, every day we come to work and we turn on the telephones and we're answering phone calls. We're here waiting to talk to you. We're not waiting to go to lunch. We're not waiting to get our coffee. We're waiting to talk to our clients. And we need you to call so that we can tell you what you need to do and how you can get better.
I think technically we're unusual in that we can handle virtually any area of personal injury practice. It doesn't matter how someone is hurt, whether they're hurt on the job, whether they're hurt on a boat, whether they're hurt on a train, whether they're hurt in their workplace. We can handle virtually any area of injury and any kind of injury and have a lot of expertise handling very serious injuries.
I think I'm often surprised by when people look at the size of our firm and the number of people we have working here and think that we are overstaffed. I think that we are properly staffed. We do have a lot more people working here than one would normally expect in a law firm, because I want people to get client service. We have always felt that if we take care of the client, if we do the next right thing by that person who has hired us, everything else takes care of itself. I think client service is our #1 goal. It's how we measure our success, and I think that makes us different than other law firms. We've been fortunate enough and we've been successful enough that we can keep the client and the client's case as our #1 priority always.